Good morning everyone. I am Shubham Kumar Sharma. I am going to start chapter 3rd in class 9. The chapter name is coordinate geometry. This coordinate geometry chapter is starting in 15th century. One of the mathematicians René Descartes started this new method to know the exact position of anything in a plane, and the exact position is known as coordinate, and on which plane that coordinate place known as Cartesian plane. Before starting the raw concept of the chapter, I am going to give you some examples that make you understand what coordinate geometry do in our daily life. So, if you are open your textbook NCERT, that on page number 53, exercise 3.1, two examples are there. The first example, that is, how will you describe the position of table lamp on your study table to another person? It means we have to locate a table lamp on a table. Like you have a table and you put a table lamp anywhere on the table, and you have to describe the exact location. For describing location, I just want to divide this table line with the horizontal and vertical line. This horizontal and vertical lines are known as rows and columns. These were known as rows, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. And this one known as the column. Okay, by this row and column method, I will describe the position of table lamp on the table. First of all, you mark 0 at the starting point. You just have to let a starting point. So I let starting point as here. So I mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. And on this vertical line, I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4. For this line, O is origin, or we can say the starting point. Okay, I am going to put the lamp at the point of A. How will you describe this? So, this A point is on third column and in second row. How I describe this point on the table? Firstly, we move 3 steps in column and 2 steps in row. Then we got our exact position. It means you can locate a table lamp on a table by using a method of row and column. Just you make some rows and some columns. You put your lamp at anywhere. For an example, I put this lamp in this position. This one is B position. Okay. If anybody asks you at what position the table lamp B is placed, so firstly you move 2 steps in column, then 3 steps in rows. So at that you got the exact position of table lamp of the second position B. So by this method you can do any type of examples which is given in exercise 3.1. Now the question number 2nd is street plan. If you have 2 main roads, in big cities, in metropolitan cities, or as like Delhi, Bangalore, the city plan make like this. Some street in north-south direction. Some streets are in east-west direction. If we make it, because in our social science, in coordinate direction, this one is east, this must be west, this one is north, and the given one is south. So each horizontal line represents east-west direction, and each vertical line represents north-south direction. Okay, this one is street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4. I will going to write that. Firstly, we will have to make the origin point. So I just place 0. Then I am going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means I am going to place 4 streets horizontal manner and 4 streets on vertical manner. Now every street are crossed perpendicularly each other. Now I am going to firstly read the sum number. First column of the first part. How many crossed streets can be referred? 4, 3. So if you are going to 4, 3, the 4 and 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. Position A. The second one. How many crossed streets can refer? 3, 4. 3, 4. Here. So if we talk about how many, so we have to move 4 parts horizontally and 3 parts vertically. The whole will be shaded like that. How many cross streets we have covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many cross streets are we covered? 12. When we talk about the second one, like just to make second one with a different pattern, so you will understand easily how many streets or cross streets we have covered. Now talk about how many cross streets we have covered like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here the position known as 4, 3 and here the position known as 3, 4. How we make this position I already discussed in sum number first. Now both are same? If anybody asks you, yeah, both are same. If we count as what I'm telling, listen carefully. If we count like how many cross streets are there, so both system has 12 cross streets. If we talk about, if a question asks about, are the both positions same? No. Both positions are not same. Because in first position we have on 4, 3 and second position we have on 3, 4. So both positions, both locations are not same, but we have to cover the same distance. It is as like if anybody tell you that move 30 degree. So you move 30 degree on left or 30 degree on right. It is not clear. So you may move in any direction. But if it says move 90 degree right hand, so you have to move right hand. You have to move in right hand 90 degree. As like we have to move in 4, 3, so we have a different location. But we have to move 3, 4, we have that different location. So if we want about the location, both are different. But if a question asks about the crossroads or cross streets, then they are same. So I am going to finish this example. In our next video, we will talk about Cartesian system. Okay, students. Now, thank you for watching the first part of this chapter. I am going to describe the second part of this chapter. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.